Just going to the store or running the kids to practice has a lot of people thinking about gasoline prices. With energy costs near record highs, a small county in western Wisconsin is doing what it can to help its residents. 25 years ago, after the last major energy crisis, Barron County decided to turn its trash into energy. In Wisconsin, reporter Adam Schrager shows you how they're simultaneously powering a community and trying to save the earth.
Every Tuesday morning,
this is the way to do it.
Homeowners throughout the city of Barron put out their trash just like millions of others statewide.
What we're doing here is better than the alternative.
But where it goes is unlike any other place in Wisconsin.
Unique is a word that's often overused, but this facility in a lot of ways is unique.
Barron County's trash facility
is a mass burn.
Leads to 450 degrees of separation from the worst possible environmental impact for garbage.
Do you want this to sit in a landfill forever?
Al Zeltner runs the plant.
This facility was built in 1986, basically been in operation for 25 years.
The ash takes about 10% of the space the trash would require in the landfill.
All of this waste would normally get buried in the ground.
At the Barron plant, recycling material is separated when it comes in.
Anything and everything that people throw out winds up coming here.
And then a magnet makes sure metal doesn't get into the ash.
There's a lot of money in it.
A lot of money in recycling for sure, but not where Barron County's biggest savings are coming from as it burns its trash.
We take everything that's left over and make electricity out of it, basically.
It is technically called a waste-to-energy plant.
The carbon footprint of a waste-to-energy facility is it's one of the cleanest forms of electricity there is.
The steam energy generated from the burning goes back into the community.
That electricity that we're not using in-house simply goes out onto the electrical lines and is used at the first available energy user, whether that's a cheese plant across the street or a house up the road.
Where you see negative kilowatts sending energy out to the grid, Barron County sees positive results as energy prices continue to rise.
So anyone that says it's it's always more expensive than landfilling, that would not be true.
The plant's keeping dumping fees on average equal to landfills, and maybe even more timely, it's creating power for roughly half the price its neighbors are typically paying.
The possibility is there for us to have huge benefits at Barron County because of this project.
In fact, the county just spent $3 million to upgrade the plant and make it more efficient.
We had excess energy that we were unable to use. We were selling as much as we could. So we had this excess energy that was sitting there with basically no use. So we've taken that and turned it into electricity.
The technology's gotten better, specifically in containing emissions, since Barron County began this project after the last energy crisis.
It worked here, and I think it can work other places.
The reality, Zeltner says, is that the alternative is far less appealing.
The vast majority of the material out there is not practical to recycle, so you have to do something with it. You have to either put it in a landfill or you have to convert it into energy.
Barron County's chosen to do the latter, a choice different than any other county in Wisconsin.
There are better ways to handle trash, and there are better ways to make electricity. And with a waste-to-energy facility, you take care of both issues. It can be done in a very environmentally friendly way.
The French Island plant in La Crosse is the only other facility in Wisconsin to burn garbage. But that treats processed waste, not the raw material burned in Barron County.